A simple candle keeps your iron looking brand new. No hammer needed. It will shine like you just bought it. Burnt stains and grime are often hard to clean, and most home methods don't deliver great results. Store-bought cleaners are expensive and often ineffective. All you need is a regular candle. Rub it gently over the burnt surface of the iron, covering it evenly with wax. The wax loosens up the residue, dissolves the burnt spots, and restores shine. Now for the second step. Take coarse salt and spread it over an old towel. Salt works like a natural scrub without scratching the surface. It also has sanitizing properties and absorbs leftover grease and dirt. Plug in the iron and let it heat up. Then gently press the burnt side onto the salt. Just a few seconds and the stains are gone. The result? A clean, shiny iron. You won't need to buy a new one. This trick saves you time and money. Lay it on the carpet and iron it. Mysterious stains of unknown origin will disappear. Cream-colored carpets with light patterns get dirty very easily. Stains appear on them from who knows where. I was already frustrated with these stubborn stains until I discovered this clever little trick that worked like magic. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts warm water. After thoroughly mixing the solution, soak a cloth in it. Then place the wet cloth on the stain on the carpet. Turn on the iron and run it over the cloth for a few seconds. The iron shouldn't be too hot so as not to melt the carpet fibers. The vinegar solution dissolves the stain, and the heat from the iron helps lift the stain from the carpet fibers. This method turned out to be surprisingly effective on stains that I didn't know where they came from, and much easier than other techniques I tried. The stains that plagued my carpet disappeared. The carpet is finally clean. If you're dealing with mysterious stains and nothing seems to work, I highly recommend trying this simple and effective method. It's a great solution using things you probably already have at home. You won't need an iron anymore. Here's a recipe for a homemade wrinkle release spray. It smooths out creases in minutes, without harmful chemicals or an iron. Perfect for travel and busy days, and much cheaper than store-bought versions. Pour 8 ounces of demineralized water into a container. It works better than tap water, leaving no residue. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, which softens fabric and is essential for this spray. However, vinegar has a strong smell. That's why the next ingredient is fabric softener. Just add 1 tablespoon of your favorite one for extra softness, smoothness, and an anti-static effect. Mix well and transfer the liquid into a spray bottle using a funnel. Hang the wrinkled clothing on a hanger. In the video, you can see the creases on a t-shirt. Spray the fabric, spread the liquid with your hand, gently stretch the fabric and shake it down. Repeat a few times, and within minutes, you'll see the wrinkles disappear. It's amazing. This liquid iron is easy to make, budget-friendly, and safe even for sensitive skin. It's perfect for travel. Smooths wrinkles, softens fabrics, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. This is the biggest secret of a clean sofa. All stains and dirt disappear from any sofa or armchair instantly. Dust mites, molds, and fungi die. Companies that manufacture sofas and sell special cleaning products don't want you to know this. For this trick, we will need a large bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. It will be responsible for removing germs and bacteria. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. If possible, use a white one. Another ingredient is fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. At the very end, add water. Mix everything thoroughly so that the ingredients combine. Take a clean towel or cloth and dip it in the mixture. Remove the excess by wringing it out. We need the towel to be moistened, not drenched. Once you've done this, place the cloth on the couch like this. Without worrying, place the iron in the middle of it. Wrap it exactly as I did with the cloth. Iron the couch with the iron wrapped in the towel. You won't have to dry anything. Ironing the mixture will dry it immediately. Now your couch is clean, dry, fresh, and free of bacteria. A scorched iron is a nightmare, but I have a brilliant solution. Your iron will look like new. It will remove limescale, residue, and even significant scorch marks. First, take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Toothpaste is an excellent polishing agent for many appliances. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Pour a shot of vinegar into the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a thick paste. Now, turn on the iron and wait until it gets hot. Once it's heated, take a regular small sponge and dip it into the mixture. Use the rough side of the sponge to clean the iron. After a few strokes, the iron will start to shine like new. Look how well it presses fabrics now. Your iron will glide smoothly over clothes, making ironing faster and easier. This simple trick can save your iron, extend its lifespan, and keep it in perfect working condition. You won't need to buy a new one, so you'll save a lot of money. Wrap your iron in this. This genius trick is something everyone should know. Just do one thing, and all your fabrics will be smoothed out much faster and with less effort. Remember this trick and be sure to try it at home. Take some aluminum foil. It turns out that regular kitchen foil can greatly simplify your life and speed up the entire process. Wrap it around the item you want to iron, ensuring the shiny side is facing up. This will significantly speed up your ironing because it will feel like you're smoothing the fabric from both sides at once. Next, place the iron directly on the foil and start ironing. The foil acts as an insulator and reflects heat. As a result, the heat will penetrate the fabric from both sides simultaneously, saving you a lot of time and energy. Ironing has never been easier. Your clothes will be perfectly ironed and in just a third of the time. Aspirin makes your iron look brand new, shiny, and sparkling. But it wasn't always like that. A burnt iron is a nightmare, but I have a genius solution. Take 2 aspirin tablets and dissolve them in a bowl of water. Stir until the aspirin completely dissolves. Now, take a microfiber cloth and soak it in the solution. When the iron is still warm, but not hot, scrub the entire bottom of the iron with the dissolved aspirin, paying special attention to the most burnt spots. See how dirty the cloth gets? That's proof that aspirin works wonders. After a few scrubs, your iron will start to shine like new. Then, take a clear lip balm and gently rub it on the iron surface. Use a piece of paper towel to polish the iron until it's dry. This simple trick can save your iron, and you won't have to buy a new one, saving you a lot of money.
This trick will make ironing much faster. Just spread aluminum foil on the ironing board. It's important to place it with the shiny side up. Then iron the clothing. The foil reflects heat from the board, which straightens both sides of the fabric. Just run the iron over a few times and you're done.